Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Stingwell, and I am back with another video. Now, today's video is going to be really short. I'm actually going to make 2 uploads today, and they're both going to be really short. All I want to talk about today is customs. Your boy is going to be getting his first ever Jordan custom done on these beauties right here. My sale ones. Obviously it's a blank canvas, and I felt like it's the best opportunity. I'm not gonna obviously tell you guys what I'm getting done. That would ruin the surprise and ruin any future content for you guys to watch. But I will give you guys a hint right here. All right, now I'm pretty sure from that clip, a lot of you are going to assume that you know what custom I'm getting done. It's going to be very close to what you assume, but I promise you it's going to be a little bit different, and it's going to be amazing. I know it's going to be amazing because I got the information for this customizer from another YouTuber, a homie of mine. Hegotkickz. I'm sure a lot of you guys that watch my channel watch his channel already, but I seen a custom that he had done by this gentleman, and his name is TheLockExperience. I'm gonna put a link to his Instagram down below. You can look at all of his work and what he did. You know, I think it was a 4. I think he made one of Hegotkickz sneakers into some type of Kentucky 4 because he's a huge Cats fan, so Wildcats fan. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is something different. I was gonna do an Ohio State thing. I'm here in Columbus, but no, I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna do something completely different now. I'm gonna be really surprised. I don't know how long the process is gonna take. This is my first custom, but what I want y'all to do, hit me, comment down below and all that, like, subscribe, I love all that. But let me know on Instagram if you guys have any customs in your collection. If you got any customs, send me the pictures. Spam my DMs with the pictures of y'all customs, and I'll put them in the next video. Or maybe I'll put them in the video when these are done. I'll save all your pictures, your information, your name, and all of that. And I'll shout each and every one of you guys out in the reveal of these. I'll shout each one of you guys out in that video. So I just want to get on here real quick, not make a long video, but I wanted to know, what customs do y'all have in y'all collections? Are y'all a fan of customs at all? And I want y'all to also go to the TheLockExperience page, man. If you're looking for your first custom as well, go to his page, man. He got some really great prices. Tell him I sent you. OV!